That's a UFO, man. Dude, you got it on cam?
Yeah. UFO sighting.
Over the Atlantic, or over the... This is a UFO
Pacific.
over the Pacific Ocean.
Right above those buildings there.
Man, it's green. Dude, that's fucking... It's green! It's green! It's coming right over us, man. It's gotta be a heli. What the fuck? Can you focus in on that?
Barely.
Dude, it's like... It's fucking green or something.
Oh my god, that's not a fucking... It's not a helicopter, Davo.
Dude, what the fuck
That is not a helicopter, man.
Man, I'm looking right at it.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that?
Dude, look at it! Wow!
Oh my god.
It's so close! What the fuck?
What the fuck is it?
Man. Dude, that's unlike anything I've ever fucking seen. I'm looking through my binoculars at this thing and it makes no sound. It's going everywhere.
It's silent, man. It's silent. It flew by us at Mach speed.
Dude, what the fuck is that?
Oh my god.
Dude, what the fuck? Yeah!
Oh yeah!
We got it on film!
What the fuck is that shit?
My name is Dave Hoare, and I don't know what the fuck that is, man. I've seen shit like nothing like that.
No, it was silent. It was silent.
Dude, there it goes.
It's fucking gone.
No, I still see it with my binoculars.
That was, it almost out of focus of the camera.
I got it.
Wow.
Dude, what the fuck was that? Man, what the fuck was that?
Oh my god, it looked like Boba Fett's fucking ship.
Did you see that weird? That was... Cheers to the fucking ETs, man. Extraterrestrials. They're coming, man. They're coming. There's a plane, man. I wonder what it's gonna do to the fucking plane, dude. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It's gone. It's gone, dude.
It disappeared?
Yeah, it's gone.
It disappeared. No way.
Dude, it's fucking gone.
It disappeared. Oh my god, in a sip of a fucking whiskey.
Sip of whiskey and it's gone.
Oh, I think it's down by those trees there, man. I think I spotted it on this camera.
Where?
Look at the one hump of the fucking mountain there. Down in the trees and you see it. Nope. Oh, I lost it.
No.